What is exciting about this year's event is the great attendance. We had more screenings, and we for sure are making a difference in the life of so many people that haven't been able to receive the health care because economical situation, because they lose their jobs, because they don't have health insurance, and we're trying to support them with these kind of healthcare programs. I will say to all the healthcare providers and the sponsors, thank you, thank you, thank you. Without you guys, I won't be able never to put this together. Thank you for trusting in the Hispanic Health Coalition. Thank you for believing in our agency and believing in that the Hispanic community has huge needs. And thank you for believing that in these events we are not just benefiting the Hispanics, we're benefiting every single person in our community.
Well, healthcare is the hot topic everywhere, but you might like hearing about it this morning.
Because we are talking about free healthcare services. It's all taking place at the Health Fair in Elkhart County, which is where Lindsay Sablon is. Lindsay, dozens of services available out there, and you are getting some of those services done on you too.
Yeah, we're going to try to do some, we're going to show you kind of an example of some of the services that they're going to be offering. And I'm back with Liliana Quintera. And we were talking about before all the different things that people can do. I think you told me over $700,000 worth of screenings.
Exactly, Lindsay.
Tomorrow
We're ready to have over $700,000 for screenings just for our community for free. They don't have to pay anything.
Okay.
25 plus free screenings, $700,000 worth of free medical care here today. Really, it's a staggering number when you think about it. 230 medical professionals and volunteers on hand here. It's like a mini hospital that's been set up here at Elkhart Central.
Meantime, here in Michiana, people without health insurance got some help from the community at free health screenings. The Hispanic Health Coalition of Elkhart County held a health fair and handed out $700,000 worth of health care to hundreds of members of the community. More than 300 volunteers were there bright and early to help out. Healthcare professionals from around the area also volunteered their time today.
Well, I'm Juan Carlos Guzman. I'm the research director for the Institute for Latino Studies at the University of Notre Dame.
Yeah, I'm Carl Ellison. I'm the Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of the Indian Minority Health Coalition.
My name is Pat Sanchez, and I'm with the Commission of Hispanic and Latino Affairs for the state of Indiana.
Hi, my name is Dr. Olania, and I work for Heart City Health Center, and I'm here to support the Hispanic Latino Health Coalition, the annual fair.
My name is Mark. I'm from the office of Congressman Donnelly. We have an office over in South Bend.
I'm amazed.
Finally made it in 2009, and wow, am I impressed. It's really much more to see in person than any newsletters or stories after the event can ever tell. So I'm extraordinarily impressed and blessed to be here today.
Oh, it's huge. It's huge, and it's always been huge. At least the 2 years I've attended has been really, really very huge.
Excellent. This is the largest healthcare or free healthcare event that I've ever been to in Michiana. So I'm very impressed.
And I'm here actually on behalf of the state of Indiana and behalf of the commission to look at a great effort that this organization is doing, the Hispanic Latino Health Coalition, on putting together what appears to be a fabulous health fair.
Well, this is kind of comparable in some respects to the Black Expo in Indianapolis. It is really larger than any event I've seen in other parts of the state, but it's just a testimony to the community and to the fact that the organization is able to reach people that we have what we have today. I am extraordinarily impressed.